Welcome to Sada Smashing. Today we'll be smashing this cardboard, this old camcorder model. So now let's do the scratch test. That was secure. Wait! Oh my god. Let's take it. Oh shoot, it's here. Now let's get out of here. My neighbor stopped me. Oh my god. Okay, now let's. The damages. Nothing special. Nothing special. Oh! Oh my god. So close. Go. I have to take this. Oh no. I missed the bus. I don't know how to car. I have to take it. And now I have my work camcorder. Camcorder. What time is it now? Oh my god. Ultra high quality rest strap for ultimate filming performance. I have right here. And now it's time. Oh, that thing. So now let's scratch it some more. Oh my. Let's try the ludicrous drop test. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Try again. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Now for real, guys. 3, 2, 1. Why you can't die? There's some more damages. I don't know. Looks like it's never have been jumping. So now I have to try. Oh! Some crazy girls. Oh my god. What? And see now, right now. Oh my god, take that. I'm filming right now. Now there's some more damages. That thing, it's starting to fall apart. Oh my God. It's ruining my video! That thing is still fine. So now let's try to make this girl's pay. Let's go. What? What? Oh! Hey! Hey! Take that! Girls, the images, this thing fell out. That thing from this, the screen's fine, crackage. Let's try again. Oh my God, I feel pain. The screen's still fine. I must. The last one. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1. This coming here. So let's do this skit. Hey! What are you doing?
What's your YouTube channel name?
United001. Why?
Huh?
This is you! Finally! And just something are starting to fall out. I don't want to smash it some more. I don't want to break it over some more. So now no. Oh my God! I broke it. It's starting to fail. I'm going to go that fail. And a responsible mind show. So I have to off this here. Now let's start. I'm going to put it right here. Okay guys, this is going to be different. Now I'm going to jump. And scared. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my God. Damages are some more damages. Oh my God. Just look at that. The screen's still fine. Dang it. I see one comment and it's for me to draw a camcorder. So, do you hear that? So now I'm going to run over it. Let's get started. damages something for that button is lost. That thing is broken. Oh my god. I'm going to show you how to smash. In some videos, I found some smashing videos how to smash something. For example, from player 1 to 4, an Asian guy MP4, 15 ways to break. So now I'm going to make it like my style. Wow. You're a good dog. Yes, you are. You're a good dog. You're a good dog. Yes, you are. Bad boy. Bad boy. Did you listen? This is not helping. This. I'm going to do a perfect speed run. Oh my god, I need to film with my camcorder. Oh my god, I lost my camcorder. Ah. Yes, let's go. I want to slide. Oh my god, I want to slide. Let's go. Whee! Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. Today I'm doing a documental. Hey guys, I'm doing a documental about a weird thing. That's something I have to film with my camcorder. That thing. So now let's do this. Let's do this, shall we? No, oh no, my camcorder is broken. I can't believe it. Go hammer. Now the problem is I don't have a hammer right now, so I'm going to use this stick. Oh. my god. Hey guys, that's Fred's here, and now today I'm going to see the iPhone 11 as well review, and I'm going to smash the iPhone 11 Pro. So here, wait a minute. This is not an iPhone 11. I don't know how to break it. Ah, 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 ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you for watching Dead Frets. Let's check out the damages. So this thing is starting to fail. That thing from the camera, it's starting a little bit to fail. The screen is a little bit folded because when I jumping and start to jump, the screen is going to be broken. Let me break it some more. Did you hear that? So this is going nowhere. So I think I'm going to do the part 2 of let's just stop wasting more time on smashing it. Let's check the damages. So I have to say now it's all gone. That thing, it's separated. That thing I think is, I don't know where else. The camera, it's separated. That's Canon. Oi. And the screen, it's a little bit better. Everything's flew out. I can't believe it. So now I have to clean up this. I really want to keep this as a reminder of the special sad smashing, because why not? It's going to the trash can. There. Bye bye. Mom is going to ground me by using this for the scratch test. I'm taking this. It's get out of this empty park. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Another piece of... There. So let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys next time. So I'm not going to ride in my self-drive thing. Let's go. What a beautiful day. Now I'm here. That was easy. I'm ready. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye.